Hi guys, so today I'm going to Leeds, so stick around and we'll see what Leeds has to offer. Hello guys and welcome to Leeds. As you can see, 44 Marine Street is looking absolutely stunning. Arena Point, Cirrus Point is now topped out, the main reason I've come to Leeds. It's now at 45 stories and 135 metres, looking absolutely massive on the skyline. It's really impacting the skyline at the moment. You can see it from loads of different angles in Leeds city centre, and also from far wide as well, like Ilkley Moor and Leeds Bradford Airport. As you can see from this close-up, it is at 42 stories, and then under the shuttering it's at number 45. Leeds is really looking like a downtown city in America, it really is, and I really like the vibe to it. So as you can see, they're now working on the cladding and the windows. The cladding hasn't been added yet, but the windows are looking very nice. This chip shop is my favourite, Hook and Line Leeds, absolutely amazing, go try for yourself. So I'm now going to have another look at Arena Point, Cirrus Point. Look at that, it just looks so massive, it's really nice to look at. This is actually an historic moment for Leeds because we haven't had a building at this scale for such a long time, since Bridgewater Place, so to see a building 10 stories higher than that, it's just amazing. So thank you for watching guys, please subscribe for more videos to come in future. Bye everyone.